All right, Darnell, we're getting close to getting this printer mounted on the stand. What are these things we have here in the cubby holes?
Well, we have these are extenders. These are 3-inch core for your vinyl paper or your bigger special paper.
Okay.
Here you have your print head. And here you have your left side of your reel. We'll get into that a little later once we get inside the printer.
Okay.
And over there you have your inks that we're going to install.
Perfect.
So now what we're going to do is just pull this, the inks and everything to the side. And we're going to leave our tapes on here.
Okay.
So we're going to move over.
Okay.
We want to lock the wheel so this will not, the stand will not move.
Okay. So we'll lock it for safety. All right. And then are we aligning it here? We're just placing it on.
We're going to line here, and this is going to be kind of our center point.
Okay.
And just going to lay right flat there.
Okay.
And you just concentrate from the rear side to this rear side and kind of match that up.
Okay.
We have 2 handles under the bottom.
Okay.
Put it straight up.
One of my hand holds up here, but I got it. Okay.
And we set it straight down.
Simple.